Hey, good morning. You're probably saying, hey, what is Eric doing on the floor? This video should be about fitness, not about lounging around. Well, hey, it is about fitness. Give me a break. I want to talk to you a little bit today about foam rolling and how it helps your recovery, particularly after a hard workout the prior day or even 2 days before. And boy, your legs just feel awful. They feel like crap. They're sore. It's tough to get down the stairs. Well, here's a way to avoid some of that pain and agony, and that's with just this real simple, inexpensive device called a foam roller. Here's a shorty. I got a tall one back here. For the person, put this foam roller right in the middle of the mat. It's just a simple roll back and forth. Hitting all those, you hit a sore spot, just stay on that sore spot for a little bit, just kind of do little mini rolls, just to kind of work out those knots and that soreness. Once you're done there, flip on your side, go up and down the side of your leg, that IT band. Gets a lot of stress, particularly if you're on a treadmill. Next, back of the hamstring. Sit on it like this, back and forth. And get up on that glute, particularly if you're using an elliptical. That glute will get a lot of work. Just move back and forth, clear out all those knots and that soreness. And I will tell you, you'll wake up the next morning, raring to go. Your legs will feel like dynamite and you'll kill that next workout, I guarantee you. So get in, get yourself this useful tool. Again, not very expensive, but it pays dividends both in the near term and the long term for your workout activities. Go out and have a great day.